of the faculty, our beloved parents, barangay officials, friends, guests, fellow graduates, good evening. It was not so long ago when our journey began. For most of us, we entered STES with nothing more than a dream. And today, April 5, 2010, together we stand as survivors, armed with knowledge, skills, and values to bring this dream closer to reality. To others, graduation may simply be equated as the end of the tunnel or a breath of relief or an exultation over freedom. But after years, under the nurture of our alma mater, we know that it is much more than any of these. Life is an open road, and though we've studied its highways and byways, we were never left without a roadmap. Our mentors, parents, and colleagues have constantly been our guides. All paths, all encounters lead here, an ultimate direction, a bend on the road. To all the teachers of STES, you have enkindled our spirits with your love. Thank you for allowing us to grow in your homes and develop into the principled individuals we have become today. And we shall forever treasure our enriching stay here in Santo Domingo Elementary School. You have done more than words can express. We understand we were far from perfect students or pupils, and that more than once we have brought you much pain, frustration, and even rage. Today, we show you our sincerest gratitude for molding our characters and for showing us that there is still much to learn. Your fair guidance will always be appreciated, for we now realize that like greatness, nothing grows well under the shade of a large tree. To our beloved parents and families, the true foundation of who and what we have become, you deserve to share every honor we receive today. You have continuously strengthened and inspired us, without which we could never have come to reach this moment. You have all given much to see this day, and we hope that in some way we have made you proud. To the office staff and maintenance personnel, thank you for the years of patience when we were annoying, for the support when we were struggling. Your silent presence and love will always make you a part of our memories. To our classmates, our friends, who have grown with us and in us, you have colored this journey with laughter, pain, joy, and conflict. Time has come and gone swiftly, and when one glances back at the past that belongs to you, that are you, it's a blessing that we have shared a few of the most memorable years of life together. These ties shall remain strong wherever life may lead us. And to our Almighty Father, the beginning and end of all things, we only stand here today because you called us to enter and guided us on our way. Thank you for the blessings and the opportunities. All the glory is offered back in your name. Rehearsals are over and the show is about to begin. As we part, we do not know where life shall take us, but we steer behind the wheel. And just as Santo Domingo Elementary School has become our home, she shall forever remain our lighthouse. It